Oyedepo announces federal government approval for Canaanland Airstrip. Founder of Living Faith Church Worldwide, also known as Winners Chapel, Bishop David Oyedepo, has revealed that the federal government has approved the construction of an airstrip for Faith Tabernacle, Canaanland. Oyedepo announced this during the Delilah Night Special Edition, a special Thanksgiving program held in honor of the bishop, who recently marked his 70th birthday in September, in the Covenant University Chapel, Canaanland, Ota, Ogun State. According to Oyedepo, this development will enable him to travel directly from the church premises, eliminating the need to fly to the airport first. He said, "I am sure you will be glad to know that the federal government has approved an airstrip for Canaanland. I won't need to fly a helicopter to the airport. I can leave from here to wherever I'm going. Members with their plane will have where to land and park."
I'm sure you'll be glad to know that the federal government has approved an airstrip for Canaanland. You are walking in the center of God's plan, so I won't need to fly an helicopter to the airport. I can go from here to wherever I'm going. Amen. Members with their planes will have where to land and park. Amen. By being in the center of God's plan. I had pressure on my life, 87.
In exciting news for the Faith Tabernacle, the airstrip aims to improve transportation for worshippers and visitors, especially during large events like the church's programs that draw thousands of individuals worldwide. In his address, Oyedepo further encouraged his congregation to find their place in God's plan, citing that it will be of great joy to see some Covenant University graduates who are captains that will fly in, urging the youth not to play with their lives. Stay informed for real-time updates, breaking news, and exclusive content from NaijaNews TV.